with Game Time Part 1. Let's pack out my bag to open a shop for food. Let's open a shop. Okay. Let's do it. This is where they do credit card. And this is a tissue for them to, to use. Let's just do it. But let me place you guys down. We gotta do it. Of course, do it. Let's open it, I guess. This is favorite World Cup, I guess. Bag. Okay, and this ice cream. Donut. Coca-Cola. Big chips. It's chips. It's good. Sandwich. A hot pot for cooking chips, I guess. Last but not least, popsicle. That's for the ice cream section, I guess. Actually, sweet section, chip section, drink section, and lunch section. Yeah. That's all. I have. Yeah, that's all I have in my bag. Let's wait for customers, I guess. Come back for part 2.